Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of Dr. Medicine. In today's video, we will be discussing about migraine, the causes of migraine and the preventive measures. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to Dr. Medicine. Without wasting much time, let's go into the video now. Migraine is a type of headache. Migraine headache is a result of specific changes within the brain. It causes severe head pain that is often accompanied by sensitivity to light, sound, and smell. Migraine is a neurological condition which is characterized by intense headache. It may also be accompanied with the symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, difficulty speaking, numbness or tingling, and sensitivity to light and sound. So, who are more prone to migraine? Migraine can begin in childhood or may not occur until early adulthood. Women are more likely than men to have migraines. Family history is one of the most common risk factor for having migraines. Common causes of migraine. The exact reason why migraine occurs is unknown, but many medical professionals believe that migraine is usually caused by imbalances in certain brain chemicals. But here are some risk factors why some people are more likely to have migraine. 1. Genes. If someone in your family gets migraine headache, you are more likely to have migraine. Age. Migraine headaches can hit at any point in your life, but children or teen are more likely to have migraine. Food. Salty processed foods and aged cheeses like blue cheese are known triggers. The artificial sweetener, aspartame and flavor enhancer monosodium glutamate may cause them too. Skipping meals may also reduce the blood sugar level and triggers headache. The other common triggering factors of migraine are lack of sleep and physical strain. In some cases, the migraine may accompany with aura. The aura occurs after the prodrome stage. During an aura, you may have problems with your vision, sensation, movement and speech. Examples of these problems include difficulty speaking clearly, feeling a prickling or tingling sensation in your face, arms or legs, seeing shapes, light flashes or bright spots, temporarily losing your vision. There is no cure for the migraine headache. However, medications can treat the symptoms when they arise and people can take steps to reduce the frequency and severity of the episodes. Some of the common medications that may benefit people with migraine may include naproxen, ibuprofen, and acetaminophen. The antiemetic drugs may be added to the prescription if the patient is having nausea and vomiting. So, how can you get relief from the migraine symptoms? Whenever you get a migraine, try to stay in a quiet and darkened room. If possible, try to sleep in a darkened room. Use flexible cold packs or mask. How can you prevent yourself from migraine? Avoid loud noises and bright lights. Pay attention to food choices. Certain foods and drinks can initiate headache, such as chocolate, red wine, processed meats, sweeteners, and cheese. Try to avoid the food that causes headache or migraine. Fasting or skipping meals can trigger migraine headaches. Make sure you eat within an hour of waking up and then every 3 to 4 hours. Lack of sleep or getting too much sleep can trigger migraine. Try to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a day. Stressful situation may induce migraines. Relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, and biofeedback can help reduce level of stress. That's it for today. If you found the video useful, please do share to your friends, like this video, and subscribe to Dr. Medicine. See you in another video.